Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial to how to work with Asana. So first off, we gotta click on get started, and now we're gonna go and register. And so I'm going to register with Google. So now I click on this and I have to be redirected really to the site or the login process. Now we're going to wait a second for it to load. Meanwhile, yes, there's no meanwhile, we have gotten connected real quick. So our first full name is Ned Tech. Now we're gonna continue. What's our primary role? Let's say we're a manager, and let's choose marketing and IT. Continue. What's our main objective for Asana? Let's say personal task management, and 3 tasks like video tutorials. Second task is like and subscribe, and third task is Ned Tech. So now we can choose in what form our task can be, like in a list, in a board, or in a calendar. I'll choose in a list, and now we can add people to our team. Like now I see that we can add up to 4 people, but I don't have, so we're going to skip that for now. So skip for now, and now we're in Asana, guys. So look, our free trial starts today, so everything is good. Now here we can see these are our tasks. So here it is. Like and subscribe, our first project to do. And now we can add projects, everything. We can set priority and a status. We can add description and everything. So this is also a quick tutorial. This also is, we have been given 4 tutorials for us to ease our starting to the platform. Here's our inbox. We can get messages here when you add friends in it. We can also here, I think, customize our profile. Yes. So my tasks, we can see them. There are video tutorials, like and subscribe, and there are other tasks. Here are they. We can see with whom have we collaborated with. We can edit our profile, like we can set our job title, department of team, pronouns. Here's our email, about me, set out of office, invite type. We can set our notifications, email forwarding, account, display, apps, and hacks. So we can see here the pricing. The starter price is for $10.99 for a month, and we can see the perks right here. We can see the advanced plan. It's $25 per month, and we can see it has the same perks as starter with addition of these perks, and the enterprise is the price is being talked by from you and the company, so you have to contact them for the particular price. And we can see how many perks are there. Like it has everything in advance plus these. So we can see that right now we're using the free version for 30 days, and after 30 days we're being obligated to pay. And so guys, I think that this was a good tutorial for you guys, and I hope I have helped you. And if I did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. See ya.